Today we are learning how to do short multiplication by multiplying thousands, hundreds, tens and units by units. Look at this example. 2,741 multiplied by 6 equals 16,446. Notice how all of our numbers are in their correct place value columns. This is the first part of our success criteria. We always start by multiplying the units first. 1 multiplied by 6 equals 6. Then we work our way across the place value columns. So 4 tens multiplied by 6 equals 24 tens. Notice how we have regrouped. The 4 tens goes in the tens column, whereas the 20 tens gets regrouped into the hundreds columns to become 2 hundreds. This needs to be added on next time. Next, 7 hundreds multiplied by 6 equals 42 hundreds. Remembering our 2 hundreds from before, which added on, which now makes 44 hundreds. Our 40 hundreds gets placed underneath the thousands column to be added on next time. Next, we have 2 thousands multiplied by 6, which equals 12 thousands. Remembering to add on our 4 thousands from before, which equals 16 thousands, making the answer altogether 16,446. Let's look at another example. 3,467 multiplied by 8. I have remembered to place my numbers in their correct place value columns. We always start by multiplying our units first. 7 multiplied by 8 equals 56. Our 6 goes into the 6 units and our 50 becomes 5 tens. Next, we multiply our 6 tens by our 8. That equals 48. We need to remember to add on our 5 tens, which would make 53. Our 50 tens gets placed underneath the hundreds column and then becomes 500s. Next, we multiply 400s by 8, which equals 3200s. Remember to add on our 500s, which makes 3700s. Our 3000s gets placed underneath the 1000 column to be added on next time. Next, we have 3000 multiplied by 8, which equals 24,000. Remembering to add on our 3000s from before, equaling 27,000. So 3,467 multiplied by 8 equals 27,736. Using the success criteria, which of my calculations is correct? Take a few moments to have a look and think. If you thought the yellow calculation was correct, then well done. You should have noticed the calculation written in purple is the incorrect one. Let's have a look at why. If you remember, our success criteria says remember to regroup if necessary. When we multiply 7 by 9 in the purple one, we have written 63 in the answer box. However, the 6 tens should be underneath, ready to add on when we do our 2 tens multiplied by 9. Can you spot the other mistakes in this part of the calculation? Now try this example on your own, remembering our success criteria to help you. Pause the video now while you work out your answer. Press play when you have finished. If you got this answer right, well done. You are now a master of short multiplication by multiplying thousands, hundreds, tens and units by units. If you are feeling confident, next challenge yourself with an extra 5 questions. If not, play the video again to recap. Good luck!